video ka.
Baka video din pa.
Against the light.
Magabunin ko. Against the lights ba yan?
Sa video. Ganun pa rin yung mga ginagawa nila.
Hindi, nakapanood ka ba?
Ayun din.
And that's no problem for earning because they are South American sea lions, not Brazil. How can you tell? First, they have these big and powerful front figures. How powerful are they? Well, let me show you now. Drop on this. And at least there are remarkable self-control. So, this is what we are going to do. I'm going to ask Tori to lie down here on the deck, just like this way. And I'm going to stay right there. Then I'm going to release for juicy fish right in front of our cities. The rule is only this fish is only one. First fish. This is okay. Second fish. You see, I told you, see, okay, this time, I want you to pour a couple of your hands. You see, I told you, okay, Tori, you're going to have third fish now. And one more fish to go, and we are done. chance, but this time, he's gonna be more developed. Instead of the floor, I'm going to place this juicy fish right on top of Tori's big nose. Okay, ready? She can smell it, she can see it, but she cannot eat it. And that's the problem. Okay, folks? Say the last one, preparation ready! And that's second. The main purpose of this class is to maintain the communication. And they really like the darkness from the audience who wants to be early up to the second class. Assisting Isabella, after
Pagdasalin mo na sa harapan.
Ayaw ko at Lauren din sa Bakit lalaki na?
What is your name? There, these numbers are going to start to put them up early stuff. So all you have to do is keep here, but you got them just like this. Alright, so now, it's really nice. Nobody can push up. Yes, so they know that the early students, they will give you a very special fix. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Alright, guys, so that's the key. Wet, juicy, fishy. Yes. So they are chocolate cake. We have God's chocolate cake, and he will give you a little kiss just like this party.
Maging tayo.
Wow, perfect for really good job. Guys, are you seeing the courtesies? It's even bigger than the specials. Alright, is there a special soccer around? Nandito po siya.
Yes, magkakapit. Naman ako.
Wala. Okay, pinasok na siya. Kaya message si Curly. What is that, Curly? Hey, Curly. Please. There we go.
For the kids.
Sir, are you ready to show us her ID? I know. Sir, he's there. Sir, look at the ladies. Alright, let's put your hands together for the current Japanese Sea Lion Big Challenge. Early!
Ayaw. Gusto ko tama.
Nag-expect siguro siya sasaluhin siya. Nag-expect siya sasaluhin.
May sasaluhin siya.
Siyempre may bigay yan.
Littering is ugly and it's very dangerous. Now, extend your own love in a plastic bag, just like this one. Did y'all know that? Whales, dolphins, turtles, even lots of other marine animals will swallow this and live to choke and die. While fishing pipes and pieces of land trapped in the ocean can easily kill tens of thousands of marine animals every year. These could get wrapped around their neck and their flippers and could cause great damage. Just like a broken flipper. And that is very painful. Like what I've said, non-stop in the ocean are extremely dangerous. Animals like nothing can get inside of the business and see what will happen next. Right, Ocean? Alright, let's do it again. After getting entangled slowly, oh, what am I acting up? How about a big round of applause for Yes, and the first offer is reduce. Reduce the amount of trash you make by buying items into a library sizes. Did you all know, folks, that these 4 small bottles here are equal to a big one? So better buy a bigger one, that's right. Okay, let's go to the next R. The next R is reuse. Reuse items like maps, boxes, and matters related to it. And here's a great tip from our style. Canvas bag can be grocery bag and you can see paper and plastic. Now, folks, can you have any idea what's the last R? What is that? Recycle. Let's see, you're right. And you see what happened? Recycled materials like aluminum, paper, glass, and even a plastic container just like that, they very will show you how. However, there's a plastic container out of water. What are you going to do with that? Okay, let's see. Can you see the plastic container going? Okay, ready? Alright. The secretary? Okay, let's get it out from order. Look here. There you go. Show them. Right here. Okay, go to this plastic container. Well, she picks it up and take it to where?
Yeah.
Put it here inside.
Tissue. Piling mo siya?
Oh, that was loud and clear. Now, guys, did you understand that? No? Well, you don't have to worry because Officer Bao understands C1 language. Yes, officer.
Yes, I do. Actually, what really and Dom said is, let's make everything like this.
Right? Well, the mission accomplished. Understanding is towards the better. Hey, Officer Bao.
Yes, officer.
I think that we should celebrate.
Is there an idea now? Let's celebrate with some dancing.
Alright, dancers, put your hands together for me.
Piling siya no.
Nasa left. Ewan.
Toy dancer.
Kumain na to ng Ella. Baka, ay, ngayon wala na sa babae na ano, pasilayan na ba? Ayan pa!
Babasa na yan. Meron silang mga ano eh, mga ibon-ibon din dito eh.
Mahal.